Good morning, Glenn. I just want to kind of give you a shot here. This just a little spin around. Here's your typical room, bedroom, closet. Here's a tub surround. There's that ceiling I was talking about that needs to be painted in these units, and they're going to paint those. Shelving I've been talking about that needs paint on them in these closets I've been talking about. Bedroom. They were talking about the exterior doors. They weren't going to paint. They are going to paint them now. I showed them in their contract that they will paint these doors. There's that closet area right inside the front entry. Living room, dining room combo. A little trash there, and the floor belongs to the plumber. But these rooms will be turning here tomorrow night. Here's your cabinet. Plumber's wrapping up the disposal and items. Range is coming in. Refrigerator's on its way up the steps.